In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a full background image to Squarespace. We'll start inside the Squarespace site editor on the page where you want a bold, full-width background. The idea here is simple. Create a clean section, then set its background to your image so it stretches edge to edge and looks great across devices. First, add a new section to your page. This opens the section library and gives you plenty of pre-built layouts. But for full control and a truly custom look, choose a blank section. A blank section is ideal because nothing gets in the way of your image, and it naturally spans the full width of the page. Position it where you want it to appear, either at the top for a hero area or further down the page to break up content. Next, hover over that new section and open the section settings by selecting Edit Section. This is where all the appearance controls live. Once you're in those settings, go straight to the background area. Think of this as the control room for your section's visuals. You'll see options for different background types. We're focusing on an image so it fills the entire section. Choose Add an Image. This brings up the Media Manager so you can select an image that will stretch across the section. To bring in a file from your computer, click Upload File and pick your image. As a tip, use a wide, high-quality image. Something around 2,000 to 3,000 pixels wide is a safe range for modern screens. JPEGs are great for photos, while PNGs are better for graphics with transparency. Keep file sizes as lean as possible so your page loads quickly. Exporting at a balance of quality and compression will help. Once your file uploads, Squarespace applies it as the section's background automatically. You'll see it expand to fill the space, and on smaller screens, it will smartly crop to maintain coverage. That's normal for full bleed backgrounds. If you're placing text in this section, consider an image with natural contrast so the text stays readable. Naming your image file descriptively can also help with organization and search visibility. At this point, you've done the essential work. You added a section, kept it blank for a clean canvas, opened the section editor, chose background, added an image, and uploaded your file. Your section now has a full background image that looks polished and professional. Feel free to experiment with different images to find the one that best supports your message and preview on mobile to make sure the most important parts of your image remain visible. That's all it takes to give your Squarespace page a striking, full-width background.